All right, let's dive right into this explainer. We are literally watching artificial intelligence fundamentally change right before our eyes. We're moving away from that era of the solo, reactive AI, the one you have to constantly poke and prompt, and we're entering this wild new phase where AI becomes a proactive, multiplayer team member. So let's break down exactly how this massive paradigm shift is actually happening.
Just think about your daily workflow for a second. For the longest time, AI has been this totally isolated experience, right? You open a separate tab, you ask a question, and then you just copy-paste the answer back to your team. But what happens when that intelligence actually steps out of its little isolated box and joins your actual group chat? What happens when it listens, learns, and contributes right alongside you and your human colleagues?
Let's kick things off with Section 1, the evolution of AI. It's crazy to see the staggering 3-year leap we've just made. 3 years ago, we were barely starting to adopt AI into our day-to-day workflows. 2 years ago, if you were a software engineer, AI was basically just a fancy type-ahead tool, It helped you write a single line of code at a time while you sat firmly in the driver's seat. Then, recently, we saw the leap to AI writing whole functions and full features. But today, the whole model has flipped. We've gone from one person sitting with an AI to an entire team interacting with it collectively. AI is literally starting to drive the work.
Moving on to Section 2, let's meet Claude Tag.
So in the past, the friction was entirely on you. You had to explicitly open an app and prompt it every single time you needed something. It was completely reactive. But this new tag system, it's proactive. It lives right where you already work. It knows exactly when to jump in automatically. It executes the work even if it takes days. And honestly, most importantly, it remembers your previous instructions for the next time.
So the crucial takeaway here is that Claude Tag isn't just some assistant you summon for a quick fact. Think of it more like a dynamic, multiplayer teammate who literally never sleeps. It lives directly in your team's public channels, it monitors your discussions, it jumps in autonomously to execute long-running tasks, and it builds this persistent memory of your team's specific preferences and workflows. It's a real game changer.
All right, Section 3, memory and autonomy.
For years now, engineers have been chasing true autonomy. Well, AI models can now work entirely on their own for up to 16 hours at a time. And because it can self-schedule, that window expands exponentially. Just imagine logging off for the weekend, and your AI teammate checks in every single day, reviews data, and pushes bug fixes entirely on its own for a whole month. Absolutely wild.
Now, getting the AI to act over time is one thing, but getting it to remember context, that is a whole different beast. The developers noted that perfecting memory was a massive hurdle that actually took years to crack. But now that it's functioning, you can tell the AI in a specific channel, hey, only monitor for this specific type of issue, ignore the rest, and it will remember that instruction for that channel forever. And if a teammate later asks it to expand its scope, it just seamlessly adjusts.
Now I know exactly what you're thinking. Nobody wants Clippy 2.0 spamming your team's channels with unhelpful interruptions. No way! But this system is actually built with high emotional intelligence. It's explicitly trained to know when it's actually needed and when to just take a back seat and listen. And hey, if it ever chimes in a bit too much, you just tell it to jump in less. Thanks to that memory we just talked about, it remembers that preference for the future.
Which brings us perfectly to Section 4, the multiplayer team member.
Because the AI has memory and lives directly in the channel, we're starting to see these amazing emergent behaviors pop up. Teams naturally start delegating the repetitive grind. In a Q&A channel, teams just tell the AI to answer all questions and react with a green check mark when it's done. And it just does it, forever. A project manager tracking features can have the AI monitor progress and deliver a custom daily report. Even new employees who are onboarding can just ask the AI in a public channel about HR benefits and get instant answers pulled directly from the company's source of truth files.
And it gets even more powerful in technical execution. Let's break down this simple 3-step workflow. You spot a bug, you simply tag Claude in a public channel, and the AI automatically writes the pull request to fix it. This completely democratizes technical work for the entire team. It literally allows non-engineers to contribute directly to the codebase without ever needing to open a terminal, download a desktop app, or wrestle with complex Git commands.
We are absolutely witnessing the birth of a true multiplayer AI paradigm here. By moving AI out of those private, siloed chats and putting it right into the middle of team workflows, multiple teammates can guide the AI together. It's not just one person's isolated experience anymore. It creates this diffusion of best practices. So beginners who might normally be intimidated learn incredibly fast simply by watching how their expert colleagues interact with the AI in public. It totally builds a collective, shared intelligence.
Let's wrap things up with Section 5, the future of work.
The reality of this new workflow is honestly staggering. Within the product organization that actually developed this tool, 65% of all pull requests are now written by the AI teammate. And you know what? That number just keeps climbing. Engineers are realizing they can just ask the AI to fix a bug, let it verify its own work in a remote sandbox, and then they can just move on to their next task. The AI even posts a video of the fixed bug directly into the chat, so the human never even has to leave the channel to check it.
And this isn't staying confined to just one platform either. While it started out living inside Slack, the ultimate vision here is massive. The goal is to bring this proactive teammate into Microsoft Teams and beyond, basically ensuring that literally every single knowledge worker, no matter what software their company relies on, is within arm's reach of this shared intelligence.
So as we finish up this explainer, we've seen how a proactive AI with memory, high EQ, and autonomous execution can take over 65% of technical tasks and totally democratize workflows. The technology is just incredibly customizable. So the final question isn't whether AI will join your team. It's how will your team customize this multiplayer intelligence to transform your entire organization. Take a second to think about the repetitive tasks holding your team back right now, and just imagine simply tagging a teammate to take them over forever. Pretty amazing stuff.